This is a video for a review on the dash cam rear view camera. As you can see, it's top quality, very good picture, show rear camera. Very responsive, and as far as the 1080p option, it's very nice as far as quality goes. You can adjust it back and forth. As far as rear view dash cams go, I would say this is definitely one of the best that I've used in my vehicles. Thank you.
Is connected, ready to go. You can see this one set for the back one. You can flip it around. Quality looks really nice, really easy to install. I just connected the cords. You would need to hide these to make them look great, but it was easy to figure out and understand how it all